I'm going to show you how you can get and find your USDG wallet address on Kraken. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So firstly, you will need to have your Kraken account. If you don't have one yet, I will leave a link in the description below where you can create your account for free, and you will even get 20 euros completely for free. So you just need to complete some simple tasks like verifying your account with your ID, then deposit at least 100 euros and trade at least 100 euros, which can be just buying any crypto you want. So after that, you will get 20 euros for free on Bitcoin directly on your Kraken account. And the best thing is that you can even keep inviting more friends to get up to 600 euros. So in my case, I have 200 right now, but that's the pros. So that's it. After that, you just need to search for USDG right here at the top, and you should find this right here. So you have the option to deposit this coin. So click on deposit, then select the network you want to use. For this case, let's say it's Solana. Just click right there and you will have some simple instructions. So this is very useful if you are new to crypto. For example, only deposit this coin from the Solana network, because otherwise the money can be lost. The minimum deposit in this case is 5 USDG, so if you deposit less, again this can be lost. The processing time for those transactions is less than a minute, and if you want to make sure that you are doing everything correctly, you can try sending smaller amounts first. Click this button right here, and now your deposit address will appear. So you can just copy this address and send it to whoever you want. So this is basically the address people need to use to send money to your Kraken account. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.